Welcome to the final video of this series. Today we add temperature tab, do a quick polish for the whole thing and walk through the entire code base. By the end you will have a complete Rust desktop application. So let's finish it. But before that, congratulations, because you have written 200 lines of code. So now I know that you know a lot about Rust. But please make sure to subscribe for these kind of videos and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. So for the temperature conversion, we need two conversion functions like we did before. And this time we are going to have from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then we have one from Celsius to Kelvin, right? So now we have our two conversion functions. I don't need to explain you the math. I know you are enough genius. The next step, I know you can tell me. So pause this video and write in the comment section what will be the next step is. Those who don't know, we are going to create another function called show temperature. So what we are going to do is that we are going to create a function called show temperature. Now the UI label can be anything you want. We add some space. We basically create a new horizontal with the temperature Celsius. We create a space, we create separator and something. So now we have two temperatures, which is basically F and Co, and that's why we have two result row. The thing we are going to do here now is basically add some fun, right? So what we are going to do is that we will, based on the temperature, we will say that how cold it is and how hot it is. So let's say we have let context equal to match self dot temperature, let's say temperature Celsius as I32, and we can say something like this, and then we can have a result row. Actually not a result row, I would like it to be a UI label. You know how to add a UI label, right? Using the rich text UI dot label, and then we say here rich text, not rich text, new context. We can say context, we can say size equal to 18 and maybe dot strong as well. And dot size. Okay, sorry, dot size. Yes, that's perfect. So basically I have created the temperature, which is basically the show temperature. You already know apart from this thing. So this is what I explained in the video 3. And this is basically a new thing I added based on the temperature. We are saying it's cold, warm, mild warm, or it's really hot. And then we are going to print it using a label, right? Now we need to add it like we did it for the previous videos. Here we need to do two things. The first thing, we need a tab temperature, and we can just call show temperature. In UI, we need to add a selectable value, which is basically the temperature, right? This is us adding the temperature tab. Now everything is fine. What we need to do now is that we need to finally run the code. So we do cargo run, and you see we have our temperature tab. Here there is only one temperature, but based on the slider, it gives you the temperature in Fahrenheit and in Kelvin and tell you it's either it's hot, it's cold, or it's mild, right? So this is our whole full and final BMI converter. I hope you are able to understand everything what I explained in the current video, and this is more than 230 lines of code. So you should be proud of yourself if you are following along. So just wrapping up this video and our whole project. So